Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm the CEO of HVACleads.com, and we're here at the Construction Expo here in Chicago, Illinois, and McCormick Place. The marketplace is changing. Green is definitely here. The LEED program is definitely here, and people are looking to save money. Hi, we're here at the Construction Expo with Go Green, Go Foam Inc. And hi guys, and just if you just tell us a little bit about your company and how you're helping the green movement and working with the LEEDs program, and just tell us about yourself.
Absolutely. Go Green, Go Foam has been around since for the last 4.5 years. We've been spraying the interior of concrete crawl space walls and basement walls, and now because of the energy savings and insulative value, we're taking it to both residential homes and to the commercial marketplace. The first thing is that foam itself, the reason it's green is because of the energy savings on a long-term basis, not necessarily because it's manufactured green. There are some products that are manufactured today with a soy-based or a sucrose-based product, but even those only have a maximum of around 15% of finished product. So the green and the LEED points come from the energy savings, not necessarily from production.
And so where do you work in the Chicago-Lindy area?
We cover the market from Milwaukee down to Indianapolis and out towards Rockford and even the Mississippi.
Great. And how can somebody contact you?
We have a website, Go Foam Inc. That's GOFOAM Inc.com or 877-774-FOAM.
Great. Thank you guys.
Well, thank you.
This is Sullivan Roofing, and can you tell us a little bit about your company, what you're doing for the environment?
Sullivan Roofing is involved out of Schaumburg, Illinois, our home base. We cover Illinois, southern Wisconsin, northwest Indiana, some Iowa locations. We're getting more involved, obviously, with green. We're doing green trace systems, green roofing systems. We're starting to develop a division that does solar metal panels on the metal roof systems. And as products become available to us on the market, we try to implement them in the roofing system as best as possible.
And how does your roofing systems actually reduce emissions and help the environment? Is there a certain percentage or energy efficiency? What's the benefits that they get from installing a system such as yours?
The green trace systems that are manufactured by multiple different manufacturers out there, they offer different LEED requirements, reflective ratings, R-value savings. Each independent system, depending on what it is, has a benefit in its own right, whether it be water conservation, R-value, reflective ratings, and it all depends, and obviously with the solar is energy conservation.
Great. Okay, well thanks for taking the time.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. This is HVACleads.com, and we're here with Amerirock Products, and if you could just tell us a little bit about your company and what you're doing to help the environment.
Okay, my name is Walt Smith, and we are the manufacturers of a green insulation called Rockwool Premium Plus Insulation. It's an all-natural product. There's no chemicals or additives added to it. It's non-combustible, it's inorganic, it does not sustain mold, mildew, or fungus. It's manufactured out of trap rock and blast furnace steel slag that would otherwise go into our landfill.
Are you a nationwide company?
Yes, we are. We have nationwide distribution through contractor base. It's a blown-in insulation that actually fills the entire cavity so that you don't have any voids or for any irregular studs. So you get a full cavity installation.
Great. Okay. Well, thanks for taking the time.
All right.
This is Green Energy Collaborative, and please tell us your name and a little bit about your company.
My name is Rosario Milana. We set up the Green Energy Collaborative as a facility. It's sort of an education facility where we have multiple like-minded companies that are looking to build energy efficiency into projects. So in essence, what we do is we are a place where you can come and we can look at solar. We have solar panels, solar shingles. We have ductless air conditioning systems, which is a Mitsubishi product. We have a wall panel system. So what we're looking at is more than just the cosmetics of green. When you hear green, you hear low VOC paints, compact fluorescence, and what we try to address is the energy efficiency of a building. So we look at the building envelope first. We make sure that when we get that building as efficient as possible, that allows us to downsize our mechanical systems. So that in essence brings, let's say, a 3-ton system down to maybe a 2-ton or 1.5 tons. If you're able to do that, now your solar footprint becomes more accessible in terms of funding. So now you have a smaller solar footprint, and you're able to accomplish the energy efficiency of the building at a lower cost. This project in particular is a medical facility that we did in Indianapolis. These are solar shingles. They're not the panels that you would normally see. They are basically a lot stronger, and they produce a great deal of power. So if you were to come to our facility, we will be able to show you tankless hot water heaters. We will be able to show you different building systems, and we were able to take standard projects, the architectural drawings, and what we do is we green engineer them. So we will, in essence, input all of the mechanical systems that are required to make that an energy efficient building. We also address the LEED process. We have individuals that are LEED certified. They will do all of the LEED certification documentation. We have energy raters on board. We're at 6001 South Knox. That is near Midway Airport. Come by and we can show you how to make your building more efficient.
Okay, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
This is Kevin with HVACleads.com, and this is Daniel from High Efficiency Heating and Cooling, Inc. here at McCormick Place Convention Center. Daniel, can you tell us a little bit about your business and what you do?
Our business is expanding towards green, and we start doing geothermal and solar systems, which are very energy efficient, and we are able to do the design and complete installation of these systems.
And what applications do you have? Is it residential, commercial?
Our main applications would be high-end residential and light commercial applications.
And how are you helping the environment in the green movement and LEEDs?
Our systems are not burning any fuel. First of all, there are no impact on the environment at all. We are not producing carbon monoxide, we are not burning fuels, and besides that we achieve a huge amount of energy savings by doing that.
Great, excellent. Well, thanks for taking the time to speak with us today.
You're welcome.